$10,000 profit in real estate is a lot easier than you may think. Whether you're a buy and hold guy such as myself, a flipper, or a wholesaler, you must know your ARV. So let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
What's going on, guys? My name is William Dauria. For meeting for the very first time, I became financially free at 32 years old. I don't have to work another day in my life if I don't want to. All thanks to the lottery. No, to real estate investing for passive income. The lottery would be great, I know, but I don't play, so that doesn't work in my favor. So the number one thing you have to know as a real estate investor is your ARV. That's your after repair value. Without further ado, let's dive into it. And welcome to my computer. So the first place we're gonna go is redfin.com. Now, this doesn't work in every single market, so if you don't have a Redfin in your area, you may want to do this on Zillow. But for this case, I like Redfin. I start with it. It's pretty easy. Let's dive into it. 204 South Rolling Meadows. Let's see here in Wiley. We're going to use this one. This is an off-market property. This is not for sale, just using this as an example. So the first thing we're going to do at the top of the screen, we're going to go to Duplicate Tab. And that's going to create a second tab, second window, so we can have the original one open still. So on the duplicate tab, we're going to see this page right here. And up here it says Redfin estimate. I'm going to say this. Redfin came within $10,000 of an actual paid appraisal on this same property. So applaud Redfin. It came in at 281, and this property has an over nice backyard and stuff. Redfin doesn't know about that. That's why it went a little bit higher. But however, Redfin's estimate of property values in the cases that I've seen have been very accurate. And this is not the video right here. This is not the end. I wish it was. That'd be super easy, wouldn't it? Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on neighborhood and click the neighborhood tab. And then from here, you're going to scroll down slightly. 75098 is the zip code. In the last 30 days, okay, this is your info. You got your median, you got your square footage, price per square foot, and medium sale to list price. All right, so from there, we're going to click on property code. So right here, there's a zip code right there. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then, being that I know where this house is, I don't have to check it on Google, I'm going to zoom in on the neighborhood, and the neighborhood is in this area here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click draw, and then we're just going to draw that, because that's going to give me kind of everything in that area that I'm looking for. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look to the right here under filters, right here, filters, and we're going to click on filter. So I know it's a 4-bedroom, so I'm going to go, I want to look at nothing but 4 bedrooms in the area. I also know that it's a house, and I want to look at sold properties, not for sale. I also want to look in the last year. That's just for this purposes only. However, you can look in 3 months if you really want to squeeze comps, if you knew the market went down a little bit, so you're not overpaying for a property, for instance. Baths, it is a 2-bath, so I'm going to hit 2+. And then we're going to scroll down. It's right at 2,000 square feet, so I'm going to go from 1,750 to, let's see, 2,250. Lot size I'm not going to mess with. Year built, you know, I'm going to go from 1990 and above because it is a house built in 2000. And here at the bottom, right here, we have 5 homes. That's a really good number for comps, because too many is kind of hard to dig through, and not enough is obviously really bad. So cool, guys. So here's the comps right here. So you can sort them by price from lowest to highest. I usually go from high to low, but it doesn't matter. So that right there we know is a brand new build, so that one may or may not be a good comp. And then the next one is 299. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,200 square foot, so it's a little bit bigger, has an extra bathroom. There's a decent one, 4.2 at 22. So we'll click on that. Yeah, that looks like a pretty decent comp. And you can scroll through pictures. That one's 277. This one's sold for 277. Next one is going to be a 4.2 at 22. Same thing. This one went for 275. It's in good shape as well. And then the last one is going to be a 4.2 at 1967. So that's going to be, as far as our comps go, that's going to be the closest we can get. And it's actually on the same street, just past the stop sign. And that one's 269. So we know that we're going to be at least 269 in retail condition. That's very important that you understand you're in retail condition at this price. And it's very important that you understand that what you're looking at as far as the sale comps are typically retail condition. And the reason why this is very important is because when you go to make your offer, let's just say you're a buy and hold real estate investor such as myself. So if I know that, we'll just say $270,000 is full market retail, let me grab my calculator. This is how we can structure the offer, and this is how you should structure the offer. So we're gonna say $270,000 times 70%, because this is the most we want to be in the property after repair. So I'm gonna say times 0.7, that's gonna be $189,000. That would be my offer price if this house needs nothing. And I mean nothing. Say it needs $10,000 in repairs. You could say 20, you could, whatever it may be. $10,000 in repairs. So guys, the easy math, I know. $179,000 is what I would be offering, give or take 5% if I really like the deal. So guys, if this video has given you any valuable content whatsoever, consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button, sharing, doing all that fun stuff that YouTubers like to do, because I want to share it to more investors, and the more people that like and subscribe, the more people that can see this, the more people that I can help. Until next time, my name is William Dauria. See you on the next one.
You're listening to a Young AG Instruments Channel.